And the good thing about this shimmer shadow, for my experience, is that it doesn't have a chunk of glitter in it. Hi everyone, it's Sally Cat Castle, your YouTube makeup artist with the heart. And on today's episode, we will be doing a product review on the Beautiful Reels Golden Hour Mango Butter Eyeshadow Palette. Yes, I actually received this in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of July. And guess what? I already did this eyeshadow on this side, and we will recreate this eye on this side while I tell you my experience about this eyeshadow palette. But before that, let me read to you the inspiration from this eyeshadow palette. It says, inspired by the illuminating light from the golden rays of the sun, this richly toned eyeshadow palette features 8 alluring shades with a versatile range of velvety mattes to shimmering metallics and toppers to create a sultry, sun-kissed look. Infused with mango butter and vitamin E, each shade is packed with the highest quality ingredients to create buttery soft textures that blend seamlessly and can be layered in infinite ways for an unforgettable statement. So without further ado, let's recreate this on this side. This one is also cruelty-free and vegan, so that's good to know. And here you go! Look at that! So first, what we're gonna do is, actually, I already set my eyes with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. So we're gonna start with this color, which is called Solstice. And I'm using the Real Techniques eyeshadow brush. And we're gonna start right on our eyelids. So what I actually do is that I actually just press it in. And once you actually use it, if you actually look at your brush, it seems like there's no product in there. But once you actually put it on, the pigment is pretty amazing. There's not a lot of fallout, and I'm actually quite happy using this. And I would consider this color as a coral, but with like a little mix of rose gold in it as well. And the good thing about this shimmer shadow, for my experience, is that it doesn't have a chunk of glitter in it. So it's definitely way more blendable. Because usually when a shimmery eyeshadow has a lot of like chunky glitters, the problem with that is it's better usually to be applied with fingers. But with this, because it doesn't have those chunks, it's easily applied right onto the skin. Yes. And after that, see how easy? We're now going to proceed and use Horizon. This actually looks darker right on the eyeshadow palette, but once you actually put it on, the good thing about it is that it's not too dark, or it's not as dark as how it is in the palette. And I'm just applying this right on my crease color. Look at that. It's actually a perfect crease color. And then after that, we're going to use the darker color, this one, which is Shadow. And we're going to use this as our liner. You know me, I actually like to try the mattes to see if they can be good eyeliners. And I'll be honest with you, this specific dark chocolate color is amazing. It's definitely buttery soft, just like how it's described here. And I'm just using this Vavavoom brush from Trish McAvoy. Then we're just gonna do a little bit of a lift. And then we're going to slide it in towards the lash line, towards the inner lash line as well. See, quick and easy. And then after that, we're going to use the Ablaze, which is this matte dark orange burnt eyeshadow. And we're going to do that right on the lower lash line. And then you're basically just like do little dashes. I really love it because the matte colors on this shadow are really performing very well. From the transitional color to the dark color that we used as a liner, to this color now that we use as our bottom liner. Look at that. And then after that, we're now going to clean up the side to really create that crispiness on the side with the concealer of Maybelline, the Instant Age Rewind, with the Beauty Blender from Real Techniques. And then we're just gonna do it like that. See? That's actually how we're gonna do our cat eye. See? I wanted to stick with 3 colors just so that it can actually be very doable. Then after that, we're gonna do our brown liner right in the bottom. So we're gonna apply it first right on the outer lash line, going towards the inner lash line. This eyeliner is actually from Pixie by Petra, and I really love their eyeliners because they're water resistant It's affordable. And then we're now going to apply it right on our waterline. See, quick and easy. And then after that, I'm going to use, you know me, the Max Black Track Gel Eyeliner. And I'm actually going to use my Sonia Kashuk brow brush. And it's funny because I actually use this brush as my eyeliner brush. And we're just going to create a thin liner right on the top lash line, just to make it look like as if I have thicker lashes. So if you don't have thicker lashes, this is a great way for you to make it look like as if you have a more of a defined lash. So you're gonna do little dashes right there as well. And there you go! Look at that, quick and easy. So now what I'm gonna do is, let me just finish with some lashes and some lips, and then I'll give you my overall thoughts on this eyeshadow palette. Wait for me, love you! Oh my gosh, yes, I'm back. And now it's time for our overall thoughts on this eyeshadow palette. So first and foremost, I love how pigmented the eyeshadows are. Yes, especially the matte colors. I'm also happy with the shimmery coral rose gold eyeshadow that we used. Second, I love also the fact that it has mango butter and vitamin E. So it has good skincare benefits. And third, I am so happy that I actually got this in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, where I paid $25 because the value of this eyeshadow is $35. So if you ask me, I'm pretty happy about it. Yes, check! So there you go. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also if you're into unbagging, unboxing, as well as skincare, makeup, and fragrance reviews, as well as my new episode where I do an eye makeup tutorial while I discuss a topic that's close to my heart, please consider subscribing as well. And just like this eyeshadow palette, always remember, there's always sunshine, there's always hope. And on challenging times, always remember that there's always a new beginning. Okay? And again, I love you. See you soon. Bye!